Let's fill out the New York dirt bike bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Today, we're walking you through what you need for a dirt bike bill of sale in this state. So let's get right into it. First things first, you will need an actual bill of sale for this transaction. Make sure it includes the purchase price and the date of the sale. You will also need to include the vehicle identification number, which is the VIN, or the hull identification number, also called the HIN. Now for the people involved. The seller must sign the bill of sale, and the buyer's full name and mailing address need to be included as well. Let's talk about the title transfer, because this is really important. You will need to provide either the original title or a certified copy. The person whose name appears on the proof of ownership must sign the transfer section, and that transfer section must be notarized. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.